Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. A honeydew project that makes me happy.
You know what they say, happy wife, happy life.
I love you, honey. Mwah.
This is Joey.
This is Mike.
And we're with our mobile backpack.
We're starting a new series.
It's products and reviews.
Simple solutions.
And hacks and more joy to your RV life. So come along with us. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Oh boy, finally it's here. Look, it's in an indescript package. It's about 10 inches long, and I know my wife's gonna love it. Let's see what I got. Oh boy, you ready? Yeah, here it is. RV Bug Stop. All right, this keeps the slider on your RV screen door closed. When it leave it open, it slides back. My wife, this is a real point of contention for my wife and myself. You know, bugs get in. The little slider keeps open. You got to close it manually. This is going to be the answer, I hope. This is the only company that sells it. It's the only one I could find. It's taken me a while to find it. You can tell I'm excited. It's the little things, right? Okay, I'm going to install this and I'll let you know how it works out. I think it's going to be good. I got high hopes. I've seen good reviews. Okay, so we're going to do the installation of the RV Bug Stop. This should be the easiest update of almost anything on your RV. It requires no tools. The only thing you have to do is lubricate the runner on the slide and clean the area where it's going to stick. It just sticks with tape. So we're going to get on this one. So one of my favorite accessories is this WD-40. This bottle's a little bit beat, but this is the stuff. Just kind of slide it in there, give it a little bup. I don't like to get it everywhere, so I use these Q-tips to kind of run it along and spread it out. There we go. Next thing you want to do is clean the edge where it's going to stick to. Oop. I use a little alcohol for that. Give it a chance to dry. Give it a couple minutes. So it just uses a 3M stick-on. I'm going to put this all the way to the end, which means it's going to be stretched out a little bit at the beginning. There we go. It's going up. A little, right. So I got it up at a little bit of an angle, and I got it stuck on. Now, it should happen. So it should open and it should close. I got it at a little bit more of an angle than I want, but that's okay. Okay, let's see how it works. There. Pretty straightforward. Looks like it's going to work. I'm going to put a little lube up here and we'll be good to go. Okay, so this really does take care of a problem every RV that I've seen has. They open this guy, they go inside, they've got the little latch and they forget to close it. Happens all the time. Not anymore. It just automatically closes. Simple fix.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. A honeydew project that makes me happy.
You know what they say, happy wife, happy life.
I love you, honey. Mwah.
I'll put the link below for the Bug Stop.
If you have any comments or questions or even solutions that you've tried that have made your RV life easier, leave a comment below. We'd love to try out any new solutions that we haven't seen yet. So we look forward to hearing from you on those.
So don't forget that if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thanks. And remember, take some time and enjoy life. Bye.
Bye.